BEDELITE Satin Silk Pillowcase for hair and skin. BEDELITE satin pillowcases are made of 100% satin. Polyester fabric for optimal softness and easy carriage is as soft as a silk pillowcase. BEDELITE satin pillowcase creates less friction for your curly hair and reduces hair breakage in sleeping on cotton pillowcases. Recommended by Esthetician, BEDELITE satin pillow cover is much softer and less harsh than any thread count of cotton. No more creases or pulling on your skin. Cool in the summer and warm in the winter. No zipper envelope design, simple and stylish. A modern envelope type of package containing BEDELITE satin pillowcases set of 2 pillow covers with envelope closure, standard size 20x to 6. High quality satin is more sturdy than silk pillowcases. She will not absorb moisture to pertain your shiny hair. Perfect for curly hair. Maintain your skin soft and moisturized to beautify your face. Sleep on a satin pillow cover can reduce friction to protect your eyelashes from creasing and stay healthier. Very easy to care, machine washes cold, gentle cycle. Tumble dry at low temperature, cool iron if needed, do not bleach. The pillowcases may not be suitable for people who prefer cotton or other materials. Some customers have reported that the pillowcases are slippery and may not stay in place. I hope this helps. Price $6.97.